Palakpakan ulit natin si Sir Jojo. Napakagaling, no? And kasi hindi po sasapat yung weekly namin practice na 2 oras, 3 oras sa pagka-practice ng 4 na kanta every week. So ito ngayon, with some techniques and yung vocal training ko na.
Voice Coach, Mr. Jomar J. Ansus mula sa Coro Mega. Palakpakan mo yan sila.
Ayan sila. In recognition of his, her invaluable contributions as guest, as a voice coach, who delivered their welcoming, iba pala yata. Sorry po, pwede po mahirap. In recognition of their valuable contributions as a voice coach, who passionately shared his musical talent and knowledge with Divine Mercy Choir, DMC, during its vocal training and choral workshop held on April 5, 2026 at the National Shrine and Parish of the Divine Mercy. Ulit, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga voice coach. And syempre po, maraming salamat din po sa inyong pong pagpunta, si Ate Tere. Bigyan din natin sila ng Certificate of Appreciation. Kaya pong basahin ko ulit. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Ms. Teresita Altuveros Francisco in her recognition of her invaluable contributions as guest speaker who delivered her welcoming remarks as the head of the Parish Commission on Liturgy during the vocal training and choral workshop of the Divine Mercy Choir held on April 5, 2026 at the National Shrine and Parish of Divine Mercy. Palakpakan po natin Ate Tere. At syempre, ganun din, kay Miss Jessica B. Odenis as the Choir Council President. Palakpakan mo natin sila lahat. Ayan, picture daw po ulit mo.
Mendoza, ang ating guest choir master upang tanggapin ang kanyang Certificate of Appreciation. Kasabay nito, inaanyayahan po natin sila Ate Tere at saka si Ate Jessica para po sa pag-award ng certificate. Okay. Let me read the citation. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Mr. Jonathan E. Mendoza in recognition of his invaluable contribution as guest choir master, who passionately shared his musical expertise and knowledge with the Divine Mercy Choir during its vocal training and choral workshop held on April 5, 2026 at the National Shrine and Parish of the Divine Mercy, Marilao, Bulacan. Signed by DMC President Erickson R. Ortega, DMC Choir Master of...
Ayan, so, alam mo, ako kayo nakasayo. Upo po kayo. Ayan, so, ayan, thank you Kuya Eric for inviting me. Nakakatuwa po na nagkagawa po ng project na ganito, yung bawat choir. At nakakatuwa rin po na muna po kayo, choir na gumawa nito as yung taon na po na ito. So, nawa po yung mga in-expect ko po, yung mga tinuro ni Sir sa inyo, ay ma-apply po natin siya during the masses. So, sana po, nag-enjoy po kayo at marami po kayo natutunan ngayong araw. At sana po yung mga natutunan niyo ay mas lalo niyo po palaguin sa pag-rehearse at pagpapractice. Naniniwala po ako na ang pagiging choir po ay hindi naman po ito natatapos kung gano'n po katanda or bata yung mga kumakanta. Ito po ay kung gaano po kamahal ang paglilingkod kay Lord. So, sa pamamagitan ng inyong talento. So, ito lang po yung ngayong araw. So, maraming salamat po. At God bless po. Thank you.